You know the song from Office? I recommend watching it. Staying alive, staying alive. So what you want to do in this video, I will show you how you can, like the song is in my mind all the time. What you want to do is just like how to add sub items. This is a beta version. When you're gonna watch this video in the future, it's not going to be like, for example, beta. So I get like an asset on to my landing page, and what can I do is you go simply right click on it and add a sub item. And as you can see, it will automatically create a sub item, and I can go here and like, this is sub item number 1, and you can simply change here. Let me show you the owner, and I can simply like add also another one, and status working on it, right? And I can add more columns. So this is pretty much it, how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yeah, this is how you can add a sub item. Staying alive, staying alive.